Sauk Valley's Weather Authority, this is Sauk Valley Weather Today with meteorologist Andrew Stutzky.
Wishing everybody a very happy 4th of July on this Wednesday. And we're talking about more heat just in time for this holiday. A heat advisory has been issued for the entire area. This will go into effect at noon and then last through 8 o'clock or 7 o'clock this evening, depending on what county you're in. Either way, though, the big story again is going to be those heat index values over 100 degrees for several hours this afternoon, even into a bit of this evening. So the rule of thumb, of course, make sure you're drinking a lot of water, especially if you'll be out enjoying some of the Petunia Fest activities or any other activities going on celebrating the holiday today. Now, in terms of that oppressive or their muggy meter that we have, basically almost off the scale for values today. Your heat index is going to top out anywhere between 102 to 108 degrees, peaking between 12 this afternoon and 7 this evening. So again, can't stress it enough. Make sure you take those steps to avoid any kind of heat-related illness. Now, there's some great news coming for the upcoming weekend, and that's going to be some much more comfortable dew point values. Notice we're oppressively hot and humid today and tomorrow, but once we get into Friday after a cold front moves through, that will bring a significant cool down and a significant cut to the humidity levels that will last well into the upcoming weekend. Here's your hour-by-hour forecast for this holiday. Mostly sunny skies to start the day. We will see building clouds though in the afternoon, and some of those will likely yield some isolated thunderstorms. If you get under one of these, expect some brief gusty winds, also some very heavy rainfall too. They're not going to be moving very quickly, so be on the lookout for that. I think we do get dry though, especially by this evening. Once we lose that heating of the day, just in time for many of the fireworks displays, I think those will go off, though you may notice some remnant flashes of lightning in the distance from a few of those storms that do maintain themselves. But again, highs well in the 80s. It will feel more like the low 100s and just a slight chance of a widely scattered thunderstorm here and there. More storms are going to be likely for tomorrow. That's when that cold front's going to be approaching the area. Right now, not expecting any severe weather. The wind pattern we're going to have in place, not favorable for organized storms. There'll just be those storm clusters that bubble up in the afternoon. Look at Friday, though. What a remarkable difference. 80 degrees for a high, extremely low humidity. We won't even be talking about heat index values on Friday. I can guarantee that. Under plenty of sunshine. That cool air will continue into the weekend. I'll have a look at that weekend forecast coming up on Friday morning.